Hello everyone, welcome to Erica LOL Beauty and Reviews. I am Erica. Welcome to my channel. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the like button, but please do them both at the end of the video, because that way you know you like it and that way you know you want to be here. I really don't change much about who I am depending on what the video is, so what you see is what you get. I like to keep it very real and realistic, to the point that my 12-year-old autistic son will actually sometimes come in the video. He will come in and adjust the lights, everything. So today we are opening some Target Beauty Capsules. This one got wet because I dropped something on it. Speaking of, I've recorded 2 other videos. And speak of the devil, there he is. He wants his milk. Where's your milk? Oh, right here. Mommy's got it. Look, Mommy's got your milk. I say little 12-year-old, but he's 5'6", 130 pounds of all muscle. Here, baby. Alright, so the first thing we have here is this little mesh bag that says Summer Essentials. On the back has everything that's in here listed. There's quite a few items in here. We're going to go ahead and stick this right here. And here's the mesh bag. Everything is inside. We're going to just open it up. I love these little clips. I'm not sure what I'm going to use this for, but I like this. Alright, and everything's inside of a plastic bag inside of that bag. So we got Collab Dry Shampoo Paradise Fragrance. Amazing oil absorption without white residue. This is... There's no prices on here. Okay. So it's a dry shampoo. It does smell good. I haven't quite gotten into using dry shampoos, but I'm trying to get into it where I'm not washing my hair every day. But technically I wash my hair every day, which is why my hair color never lasts. Alright, the next thing in here is a brush. It is from mini hairbrush. That's all it says. Mini hairbrush. So it's a little mini hairbrush. One of the bristles is missing. That's a perfect brush for in here. Let's see. The curls at the bottom from putting it up and down today. I do like it. Okay. Mini hairbrush. Alright, then we have the Milani Make It Last Sunscreen. SPF 30, broad spectrum SPF 30. I believe this is a full size. It is, because this is my Make It Dewy, which is almost out. Pretty cool. Full size. This bag is each one is only $14.99. So far we've gotten a brush, a full size dry shampoo, and a full size setting spray. That's not bad. Oh, we got a baby bronzer. Oh, we got a baby butter bronzer. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that. Bronzers are so hard to put in giveaways. I might keep this for my purse, or if I ever start to travel again, like if Jason goes back in the oil field type thing. So alright, we got that. That's a little one. We know who that is. That's Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Oh, my hair. Alright, we got a $5 off coupon. Once you spend $15, you get $5 off. Then we get the Vaseline Rosy Lips lip balm. Lip therapy. I have some lip therapy from Vaseline. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a giveaway pile. Well, put it over here with this stuff. That's going in the back to school giveaway. And then we have some Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water, all-in-one, waterproof, removes makeup, even waterproof mascara. I love these. I haven't used these in so long that I'm just going to go ahead and put that right there. This is Tinted Self-Tanning Lotion, medium, streak-free, quick, dry, instant shimmer, natural looking. I wanted to try this. This is the L'Oreal one, and I like these kind. I'm not going to put it on right now. Let's see what it smells. It doesn't stink. I just broke the lid, but it snaps back on. Anyways, I've been wanting to try that one. I was going to buy that. Alright, we got a Biore Charcoal Pore Strip. It's only one. I always put these in giveaways because I don't use them. Then we have a Heritage Store Rose Water and Glycerin Hydrating Facial Mist. Dry to combination skin, vegan and cruelty free. I'll show it to you in a second. Let me go ahead and fill this up. I believe this is a travel size. I don't think this is a full size. It's 2 fluid ounces. I'm seeing if I can see where it's at. Here, Eric. Looks like this. It's very pink. It doesn't smell. You can smell roses. Eric, turn it down. Alright, go in your room. If you're not going to turn it down. Okay. Last two items in here. One is a Cetaphil, sheer mineral sunscreen, 50 SPF. It's not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and give this in the giveaway also. Or I might keep it actually. I like this one. And I gave the other two away because I still had one, but I think I ran out. So we're going to keep that. And then this, I smelled this the other day because I'm looking for a good natural deodorant. This is Schmidt's Natural Deodorant. No aluminum salts, no artificial fragrance, 24-hour protection. And it's bergamot and lime. So I'm going to start using this one. And I will let y'all know how I feel about it. I love this bag. Let's put all the stuff that I'm keeping in it. This could go here, actually. This brush could stay there. You know what? The dry shampoo should stay in here because if I'm going to use it, I'm going to use it in here. Okay. That's not bad for a first box. $14. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 products. And 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 4 of them were full size for $14.99. That is not bad. So overall, that's a pretty good deal. I will link them in the description. I looked this morning when I'm recording this and they were still available. So I will link them in the description. And this one is Glow So Bright. And this one you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items, and it's $14.99 as well. Alright. Oh, cool. We got a headband. A spa headband. I've been wanting one of these. Besides my little ears that I got from Facetory, I've been wanting another one. For when I'm doing my stuff at night. Alright, we have Shea Moisture Brighter Days Ahead, Papaya, and vitamin C with yuzu lemon moisturizer. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the giveaway because I have a lot of moisturizers. In fact, I believe Influencer is sending me a L'Oreal collection to try out. So, I don't want these to go bad. So I'm going to put this in the giveaway. If you don't want it and you win the back to school giveaway, then give it to someone who will use it. I mean, there's other skincare in there too, but you know. There's another $5 off coupon. There is a Collagen Peptides, unflavored. Where do you put it? Do you put it in water? I had one that was like electrolyte that you put in water, and it was so good. But I don't see directions. 8 fluid ounces of liquid. Maybe you can just put it in water. It's unflavored. So I like collagen. I take them and put them in my smoothies in the morning. So this is a Wet n Wild. This isn't a full size. This is primer serum. I will go ahead and put this in the giveaway because I literally have the full size. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in the giveaway. Put that over there. Then we have a Radiance Boosting Balm Witch Hazel by Thayer's with rose water, rosehip, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid for all skin types. This is dispensed onto dry hands. Apply freshly cleansed dried face. Massage into skin gently twice a day. Alright, well, I guess we'll put this in the giveaway as well. Or, I don't know. It might go in a different giveaway. But it's a moisturizer once again. Hydrating Alkaline Water Eye Gel. We're going to go ahead and put this in a giveaway. This is by Derma E. I love their products. But I have eye cream, and eye cream lasts so long that I don't want to have a bunch sitting here expiring. It says used by February 2024. So I thought I was done getting stuff for that giveaway, but it looks like y'all are about to get Radically Rejuvenating Dual Phase Bok Choy Serum. Okay, this has bok choy, eggplant, turmeric, age performance. I might give this to my mom. Shake until yellow layer and blue layer make green. Okay, I gotta show y'all this. This is like a retinol. It's so I don't want to send it to in case a kid wins the giveaway. So I'm not gonna put this in the giveaway. But look at that. And it says shake till it's green. So it's green. Is it leaking? There's something on my hands. It is leaking. Okay. That explains why the box feels kind of... Put it over there. Alright. Next thing is a YesStyle Grapefruit Mask. I have some medicine that I'm not supposed to use, eat anything with grapefruit in it, so I'm not going to put anything with grapefruit in it on my skin. But I love these bubbling masks, and I love citrus masks. It really does make you glow, so I'm going to put that in the giveaway. And we have Amy Naturally Kind Glow and Plus Bright 25 biodegradable cleansing wipe, removes makeup, helps brighten and hydrate, infused with brightening rose water. Dull lackluster skin. I love new wipes. I will let y'all know because I can go through them really fast. So that's everything. I love how this box was really sturdy and had a place for everything. That's really nice. I love how Target does that. And they're $14.99. No shipping and handling if you have a Target credit card, and not necessarily Target credit card. It can just be a card attached to your Target account through your checking account. So there's that. I'm going to go ahead and end this here. I hope you all loved everything you saw. Let me know what your favorite item was, and put a sunshine emoji. Just in case you made it this far. It's not for an extra entry or anything. It's just if you made it this far, put a sunshine emoji. And I will see y'all in the next one. Love you.